For years, I struggled with short, unhealthy hair. This was even worse. Just look at my hairline. It was so terrible. But guys, with the right information, my hair grew out so much. Yes, this is my hair. This is how long and full and healthy my hair is right now. And then guys, I used herbs. Yes, I used a lot of herbs, most especially rosemary. And this is the main reason for this video. I'm going to teach you how I used rosemary to grow out my hair long, full and healthy. Guys, this is rosemary, a very popular herb known by so many. A lot of people use this herb because it works, and it is considered one of the strongest herb for hair growth. If you use it the right way, you will never go wrong. Yes, I've helped a lot of people grow back their hair and their hairline with this. So guys, let's get right into how to make. So I will be making use of 1 tablespoon of rosemary. I will be making a small batch. Yes, if you want to make a bigger batch, you can just double it. So this is 1 tablespoon of rosemary into a clean pot, and then I will be adding 1 cup of water. Yes, this is just fine. Make sure your pot is clean and add in clean water. So I'll just be putting this on fire. Yes, on heat to boil. So I will leave it for 10 minutes to boil, and this is what it is. So guys, this is how to use. I will be spraying this all over my scalp. Yes, all over my scalp and also all over my hair. Guys, rosemary stimulates hair growth by strengthening the hair follicles and reducing hair loss by improving scalp circulation and acting as an antioxidant. Guys, studies have shown that this is a really effective herb to even treat alopecia. Yes, that is bald spot. If you have bald spots at any part of your hair, you can use rosemary to revive that particular part of your scalp. Yes, I've had several bald spots on my scalp because I put on a headband that took off my hair at that particular part of my scalp. But then guys, I used rosemary. Yes, I use a lot of herbs, but you see, rosemary is one great herb you can use. And guys, even studies have shown it, so there is no doubt about this. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. And then guys, the reason why I am showing you this in detail is because there is the wrong way of using this. If you use herbs wrongly, you will never be able to see the good benefits of it. A lot of people have come to tell me that this isn't working. Even after watching my videos, yes, they still go ahead to do it the wrong way. And after asking them how exactly did you use it, you find out that they have not been using it the right way. So guys, the truth is that a lot of herbs like rosemary are drying. They are really drying. So you will have to use other products to support it. Yes, it is highly beneficial. Yes, for the hair. There's no doubt about that. But then if you use it the wrong way, sorry for you, it will end up breaking off your strands and you'll be left with little or no hair on your head. When I started my hair growth journey, I was doing this wrongly. I would just spray any herbal spray on my hair, and then I'll just go out and do every other activity, and then I'll observe that my hair is breaking off so much. I didn't know that it was because of this thing I was doing wrongly. This is the reason why you find out that a lot of people will say, it's not working, herbs do not work, they are just lying, don't listen to people promoting herbs. The truth is that anytime you hear people saying this, know that they haven't used it correctly. So guys, as you can see, after spraying my hair, I will go ahead To moisturize my hair, I will be adding in moisture with my leave-in conditioner. Yes, this helps to hold in moisture in your hair. Add in moisture into your hair strands. And please, never you use a leave-in conditioner on your scalp. I've had students that will buy leave-in conditioners from me and then use it on their scalp. I've never ever told anybody to use leave-in conditioners on their scalp. It is wrong. Please do not do that at all, because it can irritate your scalp and you wouldn't want that at all. Try as much as possible so it doesn't touch your scalp. Yes, this particular product is designed for your strands and then not your scalp. And then guys, the next thing you will go ahead to do is to seal in moisture. Like we spoke about earlier, this can be really drying and you will never want it to break off your hair. So once you've added in moisture to your hair with your leave-in conditioner, please do well to seal in with the hair butter. Guys, this information has helped so many of my subscribers and also my students. Yes, I have students over on WhatsApp, and then I also have people learning from me here. Yes, there are so many DIY pages, channels that will not show you this. They will just go ahead to teach you how to make these DIY sprays, but then will not show you the right way and also tell you the wrong way of using this. They will not. And this is one of the things that have really gotten me a lot of loyal subscribers, because they have really learned this well from me. And then guys, the last thing we will do is to oil our scalp. If you don't use oils, that is totally fine, totally okay. But then I use oils. Sometimes I use serums. If you have serums that work for you instead of oils, you can use it. So I'll just go ahead to oil my scalp. Yes, as you can see, my oil has rosemary in it too. Yes, it does. Yes, and then also my hair butter was made with rosemary. Yes, that is how much I love rosemary, and that is how much it works for me. It works really well for me. It is a great herb. And then guys, if you're really observant, you'll observe that my hair length has really reduced. Yes guys, I had to cut off inches of my hair because of heat damage. I just said, let me try to straighten my hair with heat, and then it got me heat damage. I had to trim off my hair. I used to trim off my hair right now every single month. So please, this is another information. If you can stay away from heat, please do well to stay away from heat. And I am on a journey to growing back my hair very long as possible. So join me on this journey. This is how to use rosemary effectively, by the way. If you have questions, please ask me in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Do not also forget to massage your scalp properly. Thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned for more hair growth tips, DIY hair growth tips from Jessica. Bye.